Alright, so apparently I just found out that this flip phone can actually turn itself on for an alarm. See right here, if I set the time, I can set it. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna set the alarm and then we'll come back. Alright, I have it set for 11:02, so yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and save that. And then we'll go ahead and power it off. So right now it's off. You can see. Alright, it's off right now. As you can see. Nothing is on. It's off right now. So I guess now we'll just wait. You can see right now, it's actually powering up for the alarm. See, there it goes. And if I hit stop, then it shuts off. It's off again. So yeah, that's definitely interesting to see a Pantech device do this. Apparently some old Nokias did this, but I never expected this device to actually do it, so I found that pretty interesting. So yeah, I guess that's it for now.